Hello, everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to migrate a Jira project to another instance. Migrating a Jira project from one instance to another might sound like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. Whether you're looking to consolidate multiple projects into a single workspace or simply want to move your project to a new environment, understanding how to effectively manage this process can save you a lot of headaches. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of moving a Jira project using the export-import method, which is not only efficient, but also user-friendly once you know the steps. To kick things off, it is crucial to ensure that the project on the target Jira instance is already created and properly set up. Think of this as laying the groundwork for a smooth transition. Without this step, you might run into unnecessary obstacles. Once your target environment is ready, you should navigate to your current Jira instance where your project currently resides. Start by clicking on the search bar located at the top of your screen. Here, you'll want to select the View All Work Items option. This will present you with a comprehensive list of all items, including tasks, stories, and bugs from various projects. Now, since our focus is on a singular project, it's important to filter these items so that only those associated with the project you intend to migrate are visible. This step is vital, as it ensures that you are only transferring the necessary components. Utilize Jira's robust sorting and filtering tools to refine your view, eliminating any irrelevant data. After you've honed in on the project-specific work items, the next step is to select them all. Look for the three dots icon, which should be easy to spot on the top right of your screen. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. Choose the Bulk Change Work Items option. This is a powerful feature of Jira that enables you to apply actions to multiple items at once, saving both time and effort while maintaining consistency. Now let's dive into the actual migration process. Within the Bulk Change Work Items window, you will follow a four-step procedure. 1. Select issues or work items. In the first step, carefully review the list of items involved in this bulk action. Make sure all essential items are checked. This thoroughness helps prevent any accidental omissions that could disrupt the migration. 2. Choose bulk action. Moving on to the second step, you'll need to decide on the bulk action. Here, select Move as your action. This choice directs the selected items to their new destination in your target project. 3. Specify destination and issue types. In the third step, you'll select your destination projects and specify the appropriate issue types. This is crucial for ensuring that the issue types align correctly between the old and new projects, preserving the integrity of your data. Take your time to double-check your selections here to make sure everything matches up perfectly. 4. Confirm your actions. Finally, step 4 involves a detailed review of your actions. This confirmation step is your last opportunity to verify that all settings are correct before completing the move. Once everything looks good, proceed with the migration. And there you have it. Your work items are now successfully migrated into the new Jira project. While it might initially seem complex, following these detailed steps will make the process manageable and even straightforward. Enjoy organizing your projects, and good luck with your new setup. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to migrate a Jira project to another instance. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.